Good morning, everybody. The purpose of this video today is to talk about hair loss. So I get a lot of patients that come in with hair thinning, and there could be a variety of issues, both men and women, even some teenagers. You know, it could be diet, mineral deficiencies, nutritional deficiencies, vitamin deficiencies alike, stress, thyroid. So there's a lot of different reasons why people have hair loss, and it's super important to get down to the root cause of it, and you can do that with blood work. There are supplements that can help support hair loss. I want to talk to you real quick about my story. I'm currently going through chemotherapy. I'm halfway through, and I'm doing a special cap that will help reduce the amount of chemotherapy that goes to my hair follicles. If I wasn't doing the cap, I would be completely bald by now. You're probably wondering, why am I wearing this cap? Well, I do have some balding, and this is very hard for me to share, but I do have some balding on my scalp, and so that's why I wear my little beanie here, just to kind of cover that up. But when I get done with chemotherapy, there are going to be a couple of vitamins that I'm definitely going to try. One is cortisol, which will help keep my cortisol levels down or keep them where they need to be. And then there's Nutrafol. So I do offer a variety of different things for hair loss, and Nutrafol is a vitamin that has all your B vitamins in it. There's one for, you know, premenopausal women, postmenopausal women, perimenopausal women. This one is for teenagers if you're having acne, if you're sensitive to biotin, because biotin can break you out potentially. The Clear Skin Pact is a great one for the teenagers. Also, I have, you know, the Balanced, which is for perimenopausal and menopausal women. It has everything you need in there to address hair loss. So the ashwagandha, the biotin, zinc, selenium, those are all really important for hair growth. So this is a great option for you too. You can either purchase it at my office or shop online. And then I also have one that addresses male pattern hair loss. So a lot of men will just kind of suffer in silence. You don't have to. Now we have male Nutrafol that can help you. It's 4 capsules a day. It has all the vitamins that you need. So anyhow, I could go on and on about hair loss. I want to say, as always, thank you for allowing me to share my story with you, and I hope to see you soon. And like I always say, make today a beautiful day.